Good day everyone and welcome to episode 11 part 1 of Learn, Invest, Earn. My name is Soundarya Lakshmi Narayanan and this series is in association with AliceBlue to help new investors kickstart their journey of investing. Can I buy mutual funds at zero commission and save lakhs on expense ratio in the long term? Yes, that's what we are going to see in today's video. Let's get started. Before that, if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up so this video reaches a lot of young investors. What is AliceBlue Mutual Funds? AliceBlue Mutual Funds is an investment platform that helps you invest in direct mutual fund schemes. When you invest via direct mutual fund platform, things get pretty straightforward in terms of fees and accessibility as there is no third-party involvement like agents or distributors. Lesser involvement of third parties will lead to lower costs. In fact, AliceBlue charges zero commission on mutual fund investments. AliceBlue Mutual Fund charges. With AliceBlue, you can invest in mutual funds completely free of cost. But you can ask, why does AliceBlue charge zero commission? AliceBlue charges zero commission as it is a direct mutual fund investment platform. So what is a direct fund mutual fund platform? There are two types of mutual funds, regular mutual funds and direct mutual funds. Buying different types of mutual funds works similar to buying clothes via a manufacturer and in a retail shop. So when you buy regular mutual funds, it's like buying clothes from a retail shop, and buying clothes from a retail shop cost higher when compared to buying it directly from the manufacturer. Similarly, when you buy regular mutual funds, you are buying them from a distributor or an agent whose fees comes attached to the fund, and this fee is added to the expense ratio. Want to know more about expense ratio and how to get started on AliceBlue Mutual Funds? Keep watching the next video.